That relates to what I said at the beginning on the explosion of data usage in the kingdom. That brings about lots of pressure on our networks. And our network, at the end of the day, is our core asset. So we are looking all the time to ensuring that our network is the best in the region. And therefore, that drives all of our investments and investment decisions. So we have been investing heavily on rolling out our 4G network. The level of coverage now in Saudi Arabia is very high. So we do that. Then we ensure that the network has the right, so you provide the right coverage, but also now with the increase in demand, you need to provide also the right capacity. So we are also investing in ensuring that we provide necessary capacity to our customers, and that requires in ensuring that most of our radio base stations serving our mobile network are covered with fiber. Alongside that, we have been investing and we continue investing in our fiber network. So we are rolling out across the kingdom, in every city, a modern, advanced fiber network to ensure that we provide, both the residential customers and the businesses with the ability to connect to our fiber network. Alongside with that, and to reduce, for example, the load on our mobile network, we have started in late 2014 and in 2015, and will continue in 2016, rolling what we call a Wi-Fi offloading network, so that in certain areas, in malls, in hospitals, universities, where our customers are not moving, they will be able to be served by a Wi-Fi network, so that we offload the traffic from the mobile network into our fixed network. Also, if I look into the enterprise side, we have investing heavily in our data centers, expanding them, providing regional coverage. Also, we announced the availability now of the STC cloud through the STC cloud marketplace that was announced last GITEX a few weeks ago. The cloud offering that STC now is bringing to the market is state of the art. It should help our customers change and actually transform the way they look into their ICT requirements. Through it, we will not only be providing connectivity services, which are traditional of a telecom operator, but also taking a completely new approach through providing the customer with the ability to get ICT services, ICT infrastructure, and even applications through STC Cloud. That will have a dramatic impact, positive impact on the way they operate, because they will have a one-stop shop, they will have the right SLAs, and that will impact their financials positively, because they don't need to invest CapEx in advance. They can change that CapEx, huge CapEx requirement that typically is needed, into an OpEx model where they pay over a longer period of time. So alongside that, we have started a very, courageous transformation program to look into what we call the BSS systems. Those are the business support systems that we have. As you may know, incumbent operators have the legacy and have the heritage of multiple systems, multiple CRM systems that used to serve different aspects of their businesses. The challenge now is to ensure that our customer gets served in a much better way. That requires, a unified business support system. So we started last year a very major project or program, let me call it. It's more of a program rather than a project, to take our BSS current systems into a completely new integrated one. And that requires a complete revision of our business processes alongside our technology infrastructure. So that puts, I would say, the major elements of the investments that STC is doing now.